Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional landing page for your digital product using Notion without writing any code. If you've ever wanted a simple way to showcase and promote your product online without dealing with complicated website builders, this method is a great place to start. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean and customizable landing page ready to share with your audience. Let's get started. To make the process faster and easier, we're going to use one of Notion's built-in landing page templates. Templates are useful because they already include professionally designed layouts, organized sections, and modern styling, helping you create a polished page in much less time. First, open your Notion workspace and head to the top left corner of the screen. Click the drop-down menu or More option to open the template gallery. Inside the search bar, type Digital Product Landing Page. Notion will display several template options designed for showcasing products, services, or online resources. Take a few moments to browse the templates and preview the layouts. Some templates are clean and minimal, while others focus more on visuals and marketing sections. Choose the one that best matches the style of your product or brand. Once you find a template you like, click the Add button. Notion will automatically import the template into your workspace, giving you a fully structured landing page within seconds. Now it's time to customize the page with your own content. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your product name, tagline, and description. Make sure your headline clearly explains what your product does and why it's valuable to potential customers. Next, upload your own visuals, such as product screenshots, graphics, thumbnails, or mockups. Strong visuals help visitors better understand your product and make the page feel more professional and engaging. You can also customize different sections of the landing page by adjusting headings, rearranging layouts, and updating colors, icons, or cover images to better match your branding and product style. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion is its flexibility, allowing you to easily move sections around, add new content blocks, or remove anything you don't need. Take some time to experiment with the design and layout until the page feels clean, professional, and aligned with the overall look of your brand. To improve the page even further, consider adding sections like testimonials, FAQs, feature highlights, pricing details, or call to action buttons, such as Download Now, Get Started, or Learn More. These sections help build trust and guide visitors toward taking action. As you continue editing, preview the page and make adjustments wherever needed. Small changes to spacing, visuals, and wording can make a big difference in how professional the final landing page looks. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional digital product landing page inside Notion without using any code or external website builders. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you'd like to see more practical Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.